Breaking new ground in pediatric migraine treatment, the FDA has approved Fremanezumab, marketed as Ajovy by Teva Pharmaceuticals, as the very first anti-CGRP preventive therapy for children and adolescents suffering from episodic migraine. This marks a significant advancement for young patients aged 6 to 17 years who weigh at least 45 kilograms, offering a much-needed option to help manage this often debilitating condition. Migraines in children are frequently underestimated and misunderstood, despite the profound impact they can have on a child's everyday life, disrupting school, social activities, and emotional health. Chris Fox, Teva's executive vice president and head of global marketing, emphasizes this point by stating, "Migraines are a common yet invisible condition that can severely disrupt daily life for children and adolescents, often leaving them overlooked and misunderstood." With this FDA approval, Ajovy now offers younger patients a new treatment option, addressing a long-standing gap in care and offering families added support as they navigate the challenges of this condition. This approval is not just a regulatory milestone, but also a beacon of hope for families facing the challenges of pediatric migraines. How was this decision reached? The expanded indication hinges on the compelling results from the pivotal Phase 3 SPACE trial. ClinicalTrials.gov identifier NCT 05399393. This rigorous, double-blind, placebo-controlled study enrolled 237 pediatric patients aged from 6 to 17 years, all experiencing fewer than 14 headache days per month, that is, episodic migraine, rather than chronic migraine. The findings revealed statistically significant benefits. Fremanezumab outperformed placebo in reducing the number of monthly migraine days over a 12-week treatment period, with an efficacy that held steady across different age groups, 6 to 11 and 12 to 17 years, and genders. Notably, patients treated with Fremanezumab reported on average 2.5 fewer monthly migraine days compared to a 1.4-day reduction with placebo, p equals 0.0210. The drug also significantly reduced monthly headache days, 2.6 versus 1.5, p equals 0.0172. Even more striking, nearly half of the pediatric patients, 47.2% on Fremanezumab, achieved at least a 50% reduction in monthly migraine days, compared to only 27% on placebo, p equals 0.0016. Jennifer McVeigh, M.A., a pediatric neurologist at the Dent Neurologic Institute, highlights why this is so important. Pediatric migraine is a complex condition that can significantly impact a child's daily life, from school performance to emotional well-being. Having an FDA-approved treatment like Ajovy offers an important option, providing a targeted approach to preventive treatment for episodic migraine that can help reduce the frequency of attacks in younger patients and help clinicians manage this often overlooked condition. Indeed, having a medication specifically approved for this age group fills a critical void in pediatric headache medicine. Fremanezumab itself was first approved for adult patients back in 2018 and is administered via a simple injection, either monthly or once every 3 months, using a pre-filled auto-injector or syringe. The dose approved for children is the same 225 milligram single injection, tailored to be safe and effective for this younger population. While Fremanezumab has generally been well tolerated, with a safety profile consistent across age groups, it is important to note that it should not be given to patients who have severe allergic reactions to the drug or its components. In the SPACE trial, about 55% of patients receiving Fremanezumab reported some adverse events, similar to 49% observed with placebo. Serious adverse events were rare, under 3%, and discontinuations due to side effects were less than 1%. However, the prescribing information does caution about rare but serious risks such as hypersensitivity reactions, potential development of hypertension, and Raynaud's phenomenon, a condition affecting blood flow to the extremities. But here's where it gets controversial. While the approval is a breakthrough, some clinicians question how widely the drug should be used in pediatric populations, given limited long-term safety data. Should we embrace this advancement wholeheartedly or proceed cautiously, balancing efficacy with potential unknown risks? This is the part most people miss. Novel therapies always come with new questions. What do you think? Is this the future of pediatric migraine care? Or do we need more evidence before widespread adoption? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.